Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paper Football. With me today, Ellie, welcome, and Sida, welcome.
Hi.
So, are you ready to play Paper Football?
Yes.
Yes.
So, we have a piece of paper, but we're not going to... what are we going to do with this piece of paper? So, we need to make a football. So let me show you. We're going to fold it into a small and sturdy triangle. So I'm just going to make one triangle like this, another one here. Okay, I have a complete triangle. I'm going to make another triangle. Basically, you just fold it until it gets really small. Every time you fold it into a triangle. Okay, one more time. Okay, it's getting tighter. And okay, I like it. It's this big. That's all we need. Okay, now in paper football, what you want to do is score a touchdown. Okay, so to score a touchdown, Eddie will have to pinch the paper football. And whoops, sorry, Sina. No, you don't have to do that right now, but after. And throw it on the other side, and if it lands hanging at the edge of the table, touchdown, everybody, touchdown!
Touchdown!
So that's a touchdown. If it ends here, doesn't work. If it falls, well, it's Sila's turn, okay?
It's difficult.
You have 3 chances.
Whoa.
Ready?
Okay.
And let's get ready to rumble! Oh, way too strong.
Way too hard.
You had 3 chances, but it fell down, so it's Sila's turn now. Sorry. Oh yeah. So remember, you can do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Was it a pinch? We're gonna say it's a pinch. Touchdown!
Touchdown!
Okay, so as a team, you will, because you have 3 chances, you won't have the same player pinch. You change player every time. You keep changing players. One thing that you can do is also ask trivia questions before they get a right to pinch it. Okay, to make it a bit more interesting. But here I'm just showing you the rules. So now, Sila has 6 points. You have 0, but Sila can get an extra point. So, because Sila will kick the football. So, let's put the football like this, between your index and yeah, exactly like this. And you're going to pinch it in the air between the goalpost. Make a goalpost like this with your thumb. A goalpost like this. Yeah, like this. There we go. Right here.
Oh, it's in the air.
Yeah, okay. Ready? You only have 1 chance. And go! Oh no! You can get that point. Okay, Eddie, you want to try it?
Yes.
Okay. Will Eddie get a touchdown? We don't know. Let's see.
Come on.
You can actually bet online on this. 1. Another kid comes in. 2. 3. Oh no! It's back to Sila. Sorry, well, I'm telling you, it's a lot of fun. Add trivia questions to it. For example, what is the capital of the USA?
It's Paris.
Tokyo.
Oh.
Or maybe don't ask trivia questions because your kids don't know anything about geography. So if they answer right, of course they can launch the football. Have fun with this. Bye everyone.
Bye.